Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm up to program number 55 called Dump the Integer. I am going to read the very brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, see what we can make it do, and see what we can learn from it. So without further ado, number 55, Dump the Integer. Look at the number 123.456, or 123.456, with an eye toward how to get rid of the portion left of the decimal point. Keep only 0.456 and dump 123. Here's a short program to accomplish that. Try 5.67, it will come out 0.67, or 500.5, which will come out 0.5. Okay, it's a very short program, I believe. Let's get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator. And as they say, start typing. Very short program. Call clear. 20, print give me a number. $30, input with a decimal. Okay, let's get the punctuation exactly as written in the book here. Okay. And we are going to call that in for number. 40, x equals n minus integer of n. X equals n minus integer of n. Oops, excuse me, typo there. Integer of n. 50, print. $60, print the fractional portion. $70, print of, okay, let's be careful here, we got semicolon and semicolon. Quote, space is space. End quote, and semicolon x. 80 for L equals 1 to 10. $90, print. 100, next L. And 110, go to 20. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen, list out the program, and just give it a quick skim for any typos, obvious syntax errors. Pretty simple program, but it looks a-okay. Let's give it a run. Okay, let's do the examples from the book, although I could obviously come up with my own, but let's do 123.456. 123.456. Okay, let's get a screenshot of that. I'm obsessed with taking screenshots of everything. Partly because I use them for the YouTube thumbnails. Okay, that worked just fine, right? 0.456. Okay, let's try 5.67. 5.67. 0.67 as predicted. And 500.5 should just be 0.5. Okay, so that is all she wrote, and we could do, I don't know, 99.44% pure. Dove soap, I think, right? Wasn't that Dove soap? Or is that Ivory? Ivory's 99.44% pure. It's the 0.56% that'll get you. Okay, how about 98.6 degrees? 0.6. And let's just do some kind of gobbledygook number here. Yeah, so all it's doing is taking the number and subtracting the integer, which, the left side away from the number and leaving just the fractional decimal amount. In any case, that is a very short program, number 55, Dump the Integer, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner, a book from the early 1980s that I used to carry around with me and pore over and come home from school and type the programs in and various things like that. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, a little nod to World of Warcraft there. And for all the above kinds of content. And in both platforms, I appreciate it if you check me out on the other platform, and if you remember to like, follow, and especially subscribe, which helps me out greatly in these financial times. So thank you, difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video. And the next program on the list, which I'm not going to look at just yet, I'm going to save it for the next video, but I'm going to peek ahead, is averages. So stay tuned for that, and be sure to check out all 101 videos in this series, the ones I've completed before this one and all the ones yet to come on my YouTube channel, CozyAzeroth or Zachary Fruhling, either one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.